Hey guys, Samir Mukhtar here from samirmukhtar.com, and today I will be reviewing Video Magic Formula. Now guys, Video Magic Formula is from Vic Carty, and I will be explaining to you everything about VidMagic Formula. As you can see, I am on the members area of VidMagic Formula. We'll be going through the members area and I will be explaining to you what Video Magic Formula is all about so that you can have a decisive mind if this is for you or if this is not for you. So guys, what is Video Magic Formula? Basically, this is a training that will show you how to get any local business and then do for them a service which I will be explaining to you here and get money out of it. Now, on the sales page, they are talking about 7 minutes you can make $297. So I'll be explaining to you if that is true or if that is not true. We'll be going through and you will be seeing everything. Now, after I have done this review, I'll be giving you some of the bonuses if you decide to take this course from my link. And I believe that nobody else will be having such kind of bonuses. All the bonuses which the vendor is providing, I'll be giving you all of them. Okay, some of the affiliates will be giving you a few of the bonuses. I'll be giving you all the bonuses the vendor which he has provided. So many of the affiliates which you'll see will be giving you vendor bonuses which are privileged to them, but I'll be giving you all those bonuses as well as some of my very powerful bonuses which you will find nowhere else. So just watch this video till the end and I'm sure that this kind of bonuses nobody else will be giving, and I'll be giving them to you if you are purchasing this course from my site, from my link, sorry. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get into what this Video Magic Formula is all about, and then you can decide if this is yours or if this is not something which you are interested in. So what happens here is the getting started video. In the getting started, you will see there is this video here, which is only 1 minute and 6 seconds. Okay, now this link is inviting you for his coaching if you want to. There is no price tag. You have to apply for that coaching if need be. It's not a must. Then you can join the groups and all that stuff. Now, Video Magic Formula comes with a software. Now, this is why I recommend this product, because if you look at this software, this kind of softwares which are already out there, things like Scopelead and stuff, they cost you $97 a month. This one with the $12 or $13, whatever the price is on the front end, the price is increasing. It started with $11. I don't know when you're buying it, it will be how much, but it is well worth it because of this software. What this software does is it gets you people. Okay, it gets you businesses. Like for example, if I do dentists in New Jersey, for example. Okay, let's do this and I search. I want how many searches? I want like 60 searches here. Then this software goes out there and gets you businesses which are which have this. Now it gives you the phone numbers and it also gives you the email addresses. Okay, so that is why this is very powerful. If you are to do this manually, you will go on Google and then search them on Google and then get the details. It also has a Yelp search tool which somebody who is in Yelp, if somebody is in Yelp, it means that that person is already paying for advertisement, so he will be more than interested to know your service, because instead of advertising on Yelp, they can use your service to get them on top of Google, because this is what it is all about. The service which you'll be providing is like an SEO service which will make them get on top of the Google network. Okay, so that's what the software training is all about. Then the done for you services is actually step by step training of how to get these people on Google. Okay, so if you look at the software, the videos here, it will take you not more than 2 minutes on every video, because that's how short this guy has done the videos, which is a completely no fluff kind of thing, and a direct approach. Okay, so if you're interested in having your own agency and having this kind of thing, getting clients to do the money, okay, to reply and I mean to pay you for this service, then it's a straightforward thing. Now there's a done for you template here, which he tells you exactly what to write to them, how to contact these people, so that they get you they get interested in your service, and they pay you, and then you move on from there. So that is what in basically video magic formula is all about. It's a simple straightforward course and a software, which the software itself is very much highly valuable in the industry, because compared to other softwares which do something similar than this, costs you monthly at least 97 $67 a month. Okay, so guys, that's why I'm saying that this something is I'm recommending you, and you should get it. Okay, if you're interested in having clients and building leads for yourself, for your business, if you're having an agency, if you're thinking of opening an agency, then this is something which you should go for. So guys, the other thing I want to mention here is, they say you make money in 7 minutes. Now, the process will definitely take less than 7 minutes, because you just have to use the software, then you have to email them, and they have to reply. Why I'm saying that it is not true that you can make money in 7 minutes is because they will not reply in 7 minutes, definitely. But it will take maybe 24 hours for somebody to reply and get interested in your service, and then they pay you, and you will make money in those few hours. Okay, so it depends on the reply of the person. So there is a little bit hype there that you will be making money in 7 minutes. Well, the work involved is takes 7 minutes to get hold of this whole process and message the business your opportunity which you have. There are a lot of countries, a lot of states which you can target, so don't worry, there will be no saturation. There are more than 18 million businesses out there, so you will not be having any issue with saturation and what others people will be doing. This is something which you will like it. Now guys, in the done for you, there is you know um done for in the OTOs, that is done for you and all that kind of things, which you can look at, you can buy them. Okay, so my bonuses, guys, all the vendor bonuses I will be giving you, there are several vendor bonuses, including trainings, Facebook traffic and all that stuff. Okay, my bonuses, if you are getting my front end, then I will give you a 700,000 visitors case study. Okay, I will also explain to you how you can get more clients and offer more opportunities. I have an agency which I'm running for my business, so basically I will be giving you those tips. Now, if you decide to buy any of the one-time offer, I normally charge from anywhere from 97 to $297 per hour coaching. I will be giving you a 1 hour coaching where I will be answering you all your questions for you. Okay, so that is when you will get the one of any of the OTOs. I will be doing a coaching for you. You need to contact me. Okay, you will get my contact, my Facebook on the below comment section, I mean the description section. You can find out there. You can add me on Facebook, and we can chat, and I will give you my training. Another thing is, if you are interested in getting such kind of videos done like the way I've done and make money out of it, okay, I on this trainings, only on this kind of promotions and video reviews, I make at least $100 a day. So if you are interested in doing such kind of thing, I will be giving you a training for that free of charge if you are getting any of my one-time offers, any of the OTOs of Video Magic Formula. The other thing is, if you get all the one-time offers, if you decide you get all the one-time offers, I will be giving you I will be building for you a review blog. Now you can look at the review blog at samirmukhtar.com. I'll be giving you such kind of blogs, and I will be showing you how you can be doing these reviews and getting the reviews done. I have my person who does the reviews for me. I don't have to waste a lot of time to do this review, and you will be working with my team to get those reviews done. So guys, that's what I have. I believe nobody else will give you such kind of bonuses. Remember, I'm giving you all the vendor bonuses. I'm giving you a case study which will show you how to get 700,000 members, uh, visitors on your website. I'll be giving you all the other bonuses which I have mentioned all about. So if you're deciding to take this, then take from my link, Video Magic Formula, and let's get chatting, let's get connecting, and let's work together, guys. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next review. I don't review all the products. I review and only those products which I feel that they will be beneficial, and they're not repetitive. They are something which is new in the market, and they will be having a lot of value to you. Okay guys, otherwise I'll see you on the next review. Thank you. Bye.